For that mixture program, I used a Delta controller over here, and only one selector switch, a two-way, to make it in auto and manual mode. One is a motor is connected to mix the material. So I'm not attached this motor to the tank because it's just a demo purpose. So we will see the motor rotation over here in the forward direction and the reverse direction only. Okay, so the making the motor in a forward direction and the reverse direction, I used a VFD, and its initial frequency settled to 40. Okay, let me reduce it. It's more of it for the initially. Okay, so it's a 27 hertz. So the output of a PLC is connected to the VFD to make the motor run in a forward and reverse direction. So to make it a forward direction, one is connected to start and stop button. Second is for a forward and reverse button. So these are the connection for the motor and VFD. Now let's input is selector switch, auto and manual. Now for the output, so here a two tank is filled with the different material, is a red and a blue. So these two material will goes through these two solenoid valves. Instead of a motor, I used here a solenoid valve, and is going to this tank. This is the tank where these two material will get mixed and heated, and then after the final output, the material material of this process is taken out from this solenoid valve to this final tank. Okay, so here's the one more process. We are going to show you heating this material, but we cannot start heating using a matches. Okay, so I just indicated here through the bulb. When the heater will start, this bulb will glow, and into the HMI will show you how the process is going on heating. Okay, so let's see into the HMI. Here's I put it required temperature is 55, and right now it's an actual temperature. I will move that temperature using this analog potentiometer. So when I'm going to move it, when I'm moving it, we can see the temperature is rising. Okay, so here we can this is just for a demo purpose, so I will use this as a temperature sensor. So let me start here you can see in mode. So here we will see